So you asked me why I use WPEngine, and the reason why I use WPEngine is because it is the best. I have looked around for other hosting services, and it simply is the best hosting service that I have found. The speed is unparalleled. The security is awesome. There isn't a team in any other hosting company that is more on top of it, that has blocked more viruses, that has found more bugs. WordPress has an issue and they're so fast, and on top of it, they've corrected the bug before WordPress does. They protect my clients. Their customer service is amazing. Anytime I have an issue or one of my clients has an issue, I jump in there, I chat with them, they fix it, they find the issue. They're just unbelievable. So all my sites are protected. If there's a virus or any problem, they clean it, they take care of it. So when you are on WPEngine, you're paying a little bit more money than you would for, say, if you're on someone like GoDaddy, but it's worth it because you have so much more that you're getting all together instead of just paying for hosting when you have to, do it all yourself. You don't get the security, you don't get the speed, you got to pay for extra speed, extra security, extra things for them to watch. You're managing it yourself. This is them managing it all for you. So all you do is buy the hosting and then let them do it for you. They take care of it. If there's a bad plugin, they're going to get rid of it. If there's a plugin that has a bug in it that needs to be upgraded, they're going to upgrade it. If there's a bug fix that needs to be fixed, they're going to fix it. It's all taken care of. And in here, you can see they're just, they've got a lot of different cool things. They've got a lot of cool plans in here. You can see they have daily backups. They have 24/7 support. They have a firewall, malware scan, one-click restore, everything. It's just unparalleled. Their speed, everything is better. So, you know the old saying, you get what you pay for, and this is true. And I'll tell you, I have always supported GoDaddy for the longest time, and I still do for those people that want the cheaper hosting. I would say, there's a lot of other hosting sites out there that you can use, and I would say GoDaddy is probably going to be the one that I would tell you to go to if you want to go cheap, because they have 24/7 customer support, and you get a lot of control with GoDaddy. You got to go in there and do everything yourself, so you don't have to contact a support person in order to have something changed. You can go change it yourself. But in the last year, and mind you, I have hundreds of clients that use GoDaddy, and I can show you, because if I go to GoDaddy, my RoboForm, which is my password keeper, will show you right here. These are all my logins for my GoDaddy clients. And see, I'm only in the D's. I have tons and tons of clients that use GoDaddy. So lots of clients using GoDaddy. Problems in the last year with site speed, with sites going down, with errors, with malfunctions, with viruses, major viruses, lots of viruses, and sites getting blacklisted, whole servers getting blacklisted. And I don't know what's going on. And when you call GoDaddy, they will deny it. They'll say it's not them. Email issues. There's so much going on. I will have 5 or 6 sites down all in the same day, and I can trace them all back to the same, to GoDaddy. So they're all GoDaddy clients. And then they all go back up at the same time. So it's obvious it's a GoDaddy thing. And there's nothing that, we can do about it. They're hosted with GoDaddy except for move them. So you are paying for less money, less money on a GoDaddy hosting, just as you are with other companies like this, but you're not going to get the superior service that you're going to get with a company like WPEngine. And if you're interested in going with something like WPEngine, one of the coolest parts about WPEngine, for instance, and I'll show you, here's my server, and I can watch everything that I got going on all in the back end with all my clients. I can see everything that I have going on right inside my panel. And when you have a site that is on WPEngine, here's the cool thing. inside your site. So this is one of my sites right here, and we just recently created them a new site. You can go in and you will be able to see in here inside you'll have a new section called WPEngine, and there'll be a section called staging. And so when your site is moved over, you'll be able to create a staging area. So you'll be able to click this button that says copy site from live to staging. And once you click it, it'll say staging status ready. And you'll be able to click here and you'll be able to view your site. And from this section, you'll be able to actually take your current site and edit it and make changes to it. Change whatever you want to make to the site. So you take your brand new live site, or your live site stays the same. It doesn't change anything on your live site, but you have here a copy of your live site, and it gives it a little temporary domain name that you can make as many changes to as you want, and edits and everything, and it stays over here in the staging environment. When you're all ready and done, you can come over here and you can copy the site from staging to live. And so in a click of a couple of buttons, it'll ask you a couple of questions about what you want to do. It will automatically transfer everything from the staging site to the live and make all your work live. And that means that you have a safe place that you can make all your changes to. You can create a whole new theme if you want to. You can do anything that you want in that staging environment. You can test new plugins, test a new environment, whatever it is that you want to do in the stage environment before making it live, so you don't have to be worried about the live site being affected. That's one of the really cool things about WPEngine. So if you're interested in getting started with WPEngine, give me a call. I'd love to help you out. You can reach me at 517-917-0582, or you can email us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero, yeah, yeah, pull, oh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ah, ooh.